Hello and welcome to EliteTradingMasters.com. My name is Robert Hammond. I'm here to host the EliteTradingMasters.com trading today, live trading. So let's just jump right into it. Just a bit of a refresher for you. This is a live trading session. I am counting on all of you current traders, the experts that have already joined us, that you are evolving into Elite Trading Masters. There's a reason why we call it Elite Trading Masters, because I'm counting on you to go through the webinars, go through the videos in our membership area, and that you are ready. You are ready for this. You're becoming skilled, more and more skilled every day. The live trading session is to show you the way our breakout buddy performs and the way that you can too. So we don't just pump and dump. And what I mean by that, we don't just pump you up with strategies and indicators, dump them on you and run like a lot of people do in the Forex industry. What we do is train you in our membership area and live sessions like this one. So let's just jump right into it now. So again, remember, I'm counting on you members to have gone through our videos and listened and learned, and that you are ready for this live trading session. If necessary, you are ready to potentially take a trade. Again, that's totally up to you. We're just showing you what we do as educators. So again, my name is Robert Hammond at EliteTradingMasters.com. So let's go through this. We're looking at the US dollar, Japanese yen. This is the H4 candlestick chart, meaning that each candle here, each bar takes 4 hours. So we are long-term traders, and we're here to give you a heads up. This is going to be a long-term trade, long to medium term. To us, that means it could take us a week to 2 weeks in this trade. So right now it's 2018-01-09, meaning January 9th, 2018. Again, US dollar, Japanese yen. So what's going on here? We are using the breakout buddy indicator, and we have a giant trading range. Our indicator has indicated that, showing, well, it's moved up, moved down, moved up, moved down, moved up. Not a great environment to be trading in because trading ranges are a little challenging. So we have a resistance up here, resistance up here, resistance up here, 1, 2, 3 points of resistance. Potentially, we have a triple top, and we are waiting for this to proof this a triple top. A triple top means that potentially market's moving down. Now, simultaneous to this fundamentals, we are using, of course, the breakout buddy indicator, and in addition to that, we're using fundamentals, meaning what reports what's going on with regards to the US dollar, the Japanese yen. So right now, as you know from our training area, we use a tool that's an artificial intelligence tool that helps us to collect every shred of information on the fundamentals of the US dollar and Japanese yen. So right now, what's generally going on is there's a lot of weakness. And again, you guys know from the training, US dollar and Japanese yen are the two currency pairs. Currencies always trade in pairs. And so there's some weakness in the US dollar, strength in the Japanese yen. And there's also a lot of fear. And when there's fear, people tend to flee to the Japanese yen because it's perceived as a strong currency. So that's why you're seeing some strength here in the Japanese yen. There's been some effort from the US government administration to talk down the US dollar, meaning US dollar weakness, Japanese yen strength. Now we know this all, and as you know from the membership area for Elite Trading Masters, you've been doing your research, and we've been helping you with that with our artificial intelligence tool that's finding every story throughout the world so that you don't have to do that. That's a big help for you, that artificial intelligence tool that finds everything. So you find out, for example, that the US government would like, some of them have been indicating they would actually like a weaker US dollar. Well, why? Why would they want that? Because it helps. It helps their exports. It helps jobs. It makes exports, it makes products from the US cheaper. So if you're buying from Japan, you're importing goods from the United States, they're cheaper if your currency, the Japanese yen, is stronger. So there seems to be some desire for strength in the Japanese yen, weakness in the US dollar. So we are observing that as a validation tool to make sure that indeed is true. And it appears like right now the US dollar is indeed showing weakness, and you can see it's moving down. We're expecting, or want it to be proven, to move down, recover, move down again. Again, we are cautious traders, long-term traders. That's why we're trading on the H4 4-hour chart. We're going to be evolving in this trade, so I'm going to pause this and wait for further development. So I've shared with you some information now. As far as our breakout buddy indicator, in order for us to go short, we need a down arrow. We don't have one right now. We only have this big old trading range. We need a down arrow here. We need it to break through here and then go down, back up, and down again. And that's when we get in, when that goes down again. We don't have proof that there's going to be a downtrend starting. We're waiting for that proof. So I'm going to pause and we'll come back when the further development. Hello and welcome back to EliteTradingMasters.com. My name is Robert Hammond. Resuming this trade we've talked about before, our potential trade. Breakout buddy indicator is what we're using. EliteTradingMasters.com is our website, and as you can see, indeed this is showing a lot of weakness. We're expecting it to punch through here. We do not have a red down arrow yet. Tried a little recovery there and it just punched right back down. Still, technically we are in an uptrend as indicated here. Monster trading range. Trading ranges are challenging to trade, so we don't typically trade them. We are trend traders, long-term trend traders, and we would like to see this punch through this long-term support here. It is actually gone through, but we need more proof. We need a down arrow from the breakout buddy. So I'm going to pause and come back and resume, and we'll wait for further development. Hello and welcome back to EliteTradingMasters.com. I pause and now I've come back. And as indicated earlier, we were in a big monster trading range here with 1, 2, 3 points of resistance. And we were waiting for a punch down through this support. And we do indeed now have that red arrow that comes from the breakout buddy. We also have a red dot up here. So we have officially broken this trading range and broken this uptrend that was in a large monster trading range. We don't typically trade trading ranges. We are getting ready to trade this. It's too early to trade it just yet. We only have proof that this former trading range and uptrend is finished. We have a down arrow, 3 strong bars down, and we're getting ready to trade this short. What we'd like it to do is come up to a recovery. As we've taught you, we do not trade the first arrow here. And why is that? Because that is our confirmation of a downtrend. We didn't know how much it was going to go. We wait for a recovery and resumption of the downtrend. So in a case of a downtrend, we are ready to trade that bounce up and resumption down. So we trade short on the continuation. We sell short on that bounce up. Too early to trade that right now. We need that recovery bounce. So I'm going to pause and come back after further development. Hello and welcome back to EliteTradingMasters.com. I'm resuming after having paused. And as indicated earlier, we had a giant trading range up here. Top there, huge resistance in there. We were also doing research. For those of you that are our regular members, you know that we have a fundamental and a technical set of tools. We have a artificial intelligence tool that searches all of the fundamentals, things like reports, things like what's going on with the US dollar, US economy, what's going on with the Japanese yen, what's going on with the Japanese economy. So we are simultaneously doing that. In addition to the technicals, which is what charting is all about, and fundamentals, reports, financials, all of that good stuff, searched out every shred of information from our artificial intelligence tool. In addition to those two pillars, fundamentals and technicals, we have taught you about money management. And in addition to that, we have taught you about mindset, mental mindset, teaching you to think like a winner, think like a patient winner. As you notice here, we have been at this now for 3 days. We started monitoring on the 9th of January, 2018. It is currently the 11th of January, 2018. We have been monitoring this for 3 days. That is the sign of a patient, long-term trader, which you can easily do. You take our Elite Trading Masters membership area training, and you will learn with patience to observe and follow our training videos plus our daily live trading sessions, which you're in right now. So again, let's go over this. Big monster trading range, difficult to trade trading ranges, too high risk, we don't trade them. We monitor and watch for, there was resistance there, so we expected a breakdown, and indeed that happened. We are now waiting patiently for this recovery, and indeed it is happening. We are pattern traders. Breakout Buddy indicator looks for and finds those patterns. These are repeatable patterns that have historically proven to be winners. We have one leg down here, doing a recovery, and we will wait for this recovery and resume down. So we will trade, we will sell on that recovery bounce. It's too early yet, but we certainly have some good signs here. Strong, powerful move. That's what we like to see. Slice through that support like butter. We have our strength indicator here, Breakout Buddy. Those dots there show powerful downtrend and followed by a recovery. So we're not ready yet to trade this, but we are going to pause this and come back when there's further development. Hello and welcome back to EliteTradingMasters.com. I am Robert Hammond here to host and facilitate this, and as I've mentioned before, went through all this trade, told you that we were waiting for this big giant trading range to end and expecting, because of fundamentals that we searched out from our artificial intelligence tool, we were expecting US dollar weakness. We expected, and this indicator, Breakout Buddy, gave us our first red arrow down. We expected a recovery and a resumption down, and indeed we had this second red arrow. We have one leg down. We are prepared for this second leg down. When I say we are prepared, what I mean is that you, as students of ours have been training in our membership area, and we are short. And we used our patented, and you've been trained on this, so this is not just about an indicator. It's about an expert advisor. We have developed, with one click of a button, you have entered a sell. And we are now short this market. Stop loss up here, entry here. It's bouncing up a little bit. So let's just step through this trade again. We had a giant trading range here, huge resistance here, here, here. We were prepared for this to break down because of our research from our artificial intelligence tool, which is available to you in our membership area. So we expected weakness in the US dollar, strength in the Japanese yen, and we anticipated this, and we got this first red arrow, told us, hey, we're breaking out of this big monster trading range, went down 3 powerful legs. Then it did a bounce up, and these are historical patterns that happen again and again and again. So it's driven down, bounces up. We traded short here because of our arrow here. We had our expert advisor tool that put a take profit, and stop loss and how many lots. And then we just simply press the sell, which we've trained you on. This is moving nicely into profit for us already. But we are not short-term traders, so we are expecting a huge move down equal to this leg down. So these are historical patterns that we have seen, and these work. They work over and over and over again. So this is a historical pattern. Our indicator simply observes that and says, hey, this is a huge market move down, driven by big players, banks, hedge funds, big multi-billion-dollar governments, corporations, hedge funds, pension funds. We're merely observing this pattern, riding on the coattails of the big players that are driving this down. We're just small speculators and students like yourselves riding on the coattails of the big institutes that are listening to the fundamentals that we do too. So we have a tool that you're all aware of and you use in the membership area for using artificial intelligence from a large software company, the largest in the world. We use that tool to give us 2 of the 4 fundamentals, 2 of the foundation. We use technicals, we use fundamentals, we use a mental mindset to get you to be in a positive mindset, and money management. And this tool helps you with that. So I'm going to pause here and we're going to resume when there's further development. Hello, Robert Hammond here again at Elite Trading Masters, and I've resumed this after a pause, and we've gone short here, stop loss up here, gone into this bit of a congestion here, is still moving around a bit. We are patient long-term traders. We have considerable profit in this. We'll wait for further development for it to move down. You know, like we taught you in our videos in the membership area, we want you to have patience with this, wait for it to move down. We're expecting a further development, a further move down. We've been searching, researching, constantly checking and double checking with our artificial intelligence tool to search, find every shred of published information on the US dollar, Japanese yen. So we know from a fundamental point of view, there is weakness, US dollar, strength, Japanese yen. And you know again from the training that currencies always trade in pairs. So weak US dollar means this pair moves down. Strength in the Japanese yen means we move down, and showing incredible strength in the US dollar, weakness. Weakness, US dollar, strength, Japanese yen. I'll pause this and we'll resume when there's further development. Hello and welcome to another session here resumed at EliteTradingMasters.com. My name is Robert Hammond here, and as you know from previous sessions that we are patient long-term traders, but I assure you it's well worth it, easily learnable. We show it all to you from our 4 pillars: technicals, fundamentals, money management, and mental mindset. Now, a lot to that mental mindset. In my opinion, that is one of the most important ones, and often, almost always left out of traditional trading courses. We teach it because we want you to think like an elite trading master. Think like a winner. So as we told you before, we were expecting this move down, and an indicator breakout buddy showed us that first red arrow, second red arrow there, and we went short, and it has indeed helped us out here, gone down long. So thank you, breakout buddy. Thank you, EliteTradingMasters.com. Bouncing back a little bit here, but we are in this for the long term. We are expecting it to move further down. We will wait patiently for it to do that. I'm going to pause while there's further action. Hello and welcome back to another session of EliteTradingMasters.com. My name is Robert Hammond to resume this session. And as you know, we are short the US dollar Japanese yen. Patient long-term traders, we went there with a sell because we had this red arrow here saying a trend was evolving, and then we bounced up and we had this second arrow down, and so we went short here. Now something interesting happening. It has moved down considerably. Did it bounce up? We have a third red arrow. Now, like we taught many of you in our Elite Trading Masters membership area, there is an opportunity to scale. So here was the first short trade right there. There was the second one. Many of you may have, and it was tradable, we've taught you that, already entered a second trade right there, short. Scalable, scaling means to scale in with multiple trades to really take advantage of this long-term trade. So let's just go through this whole thing again. We had a severe large trading range up here, resistance up there and there, and we had done our research on fundamentals and indicated some weakness in the US dollar, strength in the Japanese yen, and indeed that happened. We of course want confirmation, and so we were confirmed by the breakout buddy. So it's showing us that start of the trend right there, which broke this trading range, went down with a powerful leg, did a recovery bounce. Sure enough, we said go short, went down, go short again. Should have had 2 trades into this. So we are monitoring now, and as you will know, this is a long-term trade. This has been evolving over days, not minutes. We are not 5-minute. We're not day traders. We're long-term traders looking for and using the breakout buddy. We also use our expert advisor to make it really simple for you to manage the risk, manage the money, because we teach you the 4 fundamentals of trading. We teach you technicals, meaning chart reading, fundamentals, meaning the fundamental stuff, the financial stuff that's going on in the world with regards to the US dollar, Japanese yen. And we teach you about money management, not to over-risk on a trade. And most of all, we teach you about a mental mindset. That overall is called a methodology, totally integrated system using technicals, fundamentals, mental mindset, money management. We teach that all to you, and we allow you to trade in the beginning with a simple virtual trading account where you don't risk anything. And when you're ready, we teach you with live real money account. It's totally up to you. You could, of course, jump in the first day. We like our students and we encourage you to take it easy, take a long-term approach, know what you're doing, and then when you're ready, jump in, join our live trading sessions, and with the tools, techniques, you may decide to place a trade. So I'm going to pause now, come back when there's further developments. We have a stop loss here, way down here off the chart. We have a take profit as indicated here and indicated here. 3 lots in. So let's pause and come back when there's further development. Hello and welcome back to EliteTradingMasters.com, our live trading session. My name is Robert Hammond here, resuming our trade. So as you all know from watching this video, we were anticipating this trend and we are indeed in a strong downtrend. There was the first entry that we took. There was the second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one. Now, for those of you who are veteran Elite Trading Masters at EliteTradingMasters.com, and from all of our lessons that we taught you, you may have been super aggressive, you may have been modest and only taken one trade. Whatever your decision, this was scalable. You could have traded one here, one position there, one there, one there, one there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all pointed out by Breakout Buddy, all with the Breakout Buddy indicator showing you cloud cover here, showing incredibly strong, powerful downtrend. And as you'll notice, the strength indicator here, that this is getting steeper. It's almost 45 degrees here. Shows some powerful strength in this downtrend. And again, as you know from our membership area, we have our fundamentals driven by artificial intelligence that tells you this downtrend is not over. All that's happened is one leg down, done a bit of congestion here. You could have scaled in with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, that would have been the Elite Trading Masters veterans, people that are part of our elite group. You would have had the courage and support to have gone short on this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. The more modest and beginners would have been short once, waiting for further development. We do have and are expecting a further move down. Our take profit, as indicated here, is way down here. I'm going to pause and resume. And then remember again, we are long-term traders. Hello and welcome back again to EliteTradingMasters.com. My name is Robert Hammond, here facilitating your trading. And as we indicated, we're in a long-term trend down. And we had a 1 entry here, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of those would have been in significant profit if you had scaled into those. Not all of you would have been prepared to do that and have the account size to do that. You'd have needed to be certainly a veteran, a VIP member of EliteTradingMasters.com to have done that. But you certainly had the signals there from Breakout Buddy. And you've had the signals, you've had the training, and it's moved down nicely. I'm going to pause here and wait for further development because we are expecting further price action down. Hello and welcome back again to EliteTradingMasters.com. My name is Robert Hammond, facilitating a session for you here. We're in this long-term downtrend. You had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities to go short. There's a big old trading range here as part of this downtrend, and something significant has happened here. We've made this huge leg down. This is leg 1, leg 2, and what has shown up here. There is our take profit as indicated here in our expert advisor. That makes it easy for you to manage your risk, manage your take profit, manage your stop loss, manage your risk by controlling the number of lots. We are almost there into our take profit. That is a huge win Imagine if you had had 1, 2, 3, 5 of these, which you easily could have done if you'd been part of our VIP, EliteTradingMasters.com. Regardless of your level of expertise, you could have easily taken these. The breakout buddy showed all of these arrows. There was the start of the trend down. There was the second resumption of the trend. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 opportunities to go short. I'm going to pause this and resume when there's further action. Hello and welcome back to EliteTradingMasters.com. We have resumed a live trading session here and something significant has happened. We did a sell up here. Take profit down here as indicated by our expert advisor. And we have made $6,574.33 profit on that trade. Now, that took a lot of patience, a lot of courage. And how many days did it take? Well, we started on monitoring on 2018-01-09. Took us to 2018-01-25, so January 25th. So almost 20 days. Was it worth it? Absolutely. Could we have made more? Absolutely. You could have scaled in. Had one trade here, one there, one there, one there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades. So potentially 5 times, say, maybe could have been 5 trades, could have been 25 grand. Of course, you'd need the right size. You need to follow the expert advisor. You'd need to trade and manage from a point of view of money management. We teach you all of that in the membership area of EliteTradingMasters.com. So this indicator, Breakout Buddy, is your guide in the technical trading. There was the indication to say, hey, this is a downtrend. It rallied, and here was the short opportunity. One there, one there, one there, one there, one there. So that's the technicals. As well as the fundamentals, we have an artificial intelligence tool that searches out and finds out what are the fundamentals driving these, the financials, the gross domestic product, the economies of the US dollar and Japanese yen. We search out and find every shred of information that the banks and corporations and hedge funds are using to tell them which direction is this market going and what is driving the US dollar down and the Japanese yen up. So we make sure that we have that information because frankly, it is the fundamentals that drive this market. We just observe it as and use a litmus test of our breakout buddy to say, what's going on in the market? What actions, real actions? These are real actions, real traders. And they are usually, because they're very early into leg 1 and leg 2, they are the big banks, governments. Whatever country you're in, your government is trading Forex. Your bank is trading Forex surprise. Your hedge fund, maybe even your mutual fund managers are trading Forex. They are driving this market. We are simply riding on their coattails. Now, I am not suggesting a conspiracy. That's not conspiracy. That's just simply observation of what is going on in the marketplace. And we ride on the coattails of the big traders, the big hedge funds, the big government. As you can see, it works. And so, as well as the Breakout Buddy indicator, we also have an expert advisor here. That's in addition. We have developed both of these, Breakout Buddy and this expert advisor, to assist you as tools in the MT4 platform. So hopefully you all were able to observe this and learn, and maybe some of you that are the VIP or other traders, EliteTradingMasters.com, you're becoming an Elite Trading Master. hopefully you're able to follow along and maybe even take action on this. So again, this is Robert Hammond from EliteTradingMasters.com signing off. Good trading. Thanks for coming through this trading. Have the patience to go through it all.